Welcome back to Mike's Man Cave and welcome back to another video. This one here is a BF GT clock that's built into your car. This mounts up near the windscreen in the top corner above your rear view mirror. And the problem with this is people break these because they are the worst design ever. Whoever came up with this design should be put out of their misery. They should not be allowed to design anything else. These are absolutely terrible, and this is why people break these. This one was actually broken, and I did break this one and I did repair this one because these just don't come off. And in today's video I'm going to show you how these are actually installed on the car. We're going to fit this one back in the car, and more importantly how to take these out of the car, hopefully without breaking them, and if you do break them, how to fix them. So let's have a closer look at this clock. Now the way they work, and hopefully you can see this, you can see the three fasteners there. This is how they mount in the car. Now this part here is the top bit that sits on there that is mounted with those fasteners. So that one mounts to there. And this here is stuck to the windscreen with double-sided tape. Can you already see the problem? This is how it's installed in the car. It's stuck to your windscreen, just like that. Once this is stuck to the windscreen, there's no way to get this off. When you try and undo it, these mounts here will snap off. And I have stuck all these back on with epoxy, and I have supported them with some stainless steel washers and more epoxy. So these are all mounted up there with stainless steel washers and epoxy so that I can mount this back into the car. And then once this is plugged in and this is mounted back on there, you peel all these off and you stick it back to your windscreen, and that's it. And then there's no way to get it off again without trying to get something in between here to get this tape off, and then try and get this off without breaking all the mounting tabs again, because it's stuck to your windscreen. There's no way to get this off. It is the worst design ever. But I'm going to try and mount this back in the car right now. This here is where it mounts up. That is the cable that plugs in, and I probably won't be able to film too much of this. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to plug in the cable into the clock, then I'm going to put the clock back together, and then we're going to stick it back up there where it belongs. I'll try and film as much as I can, but I'm not sure how I'm going to go. There we go. I'm not sure if that will show up, but the clock is now working.
The man who plays the game. Lights will glow and cameras gleam. Every shot's a golden ring. We will fly, we will soar.
There we go, it's all fitted back in. And now the only way you can get this off is by trying to slide something between the glass and the backing plate where it's stuck on with the double-sided tape. So you've got to gently try and prise this off without breaking anything, which is very, very hard, especially after it's been stuck on for quite some time. It doesn't want to come off, and a lot of times you put excessive strain on the outer housing here, and the mounts inside that I showed you earlier will snap off. So if you want to try and get this off, maybe try the fishing line trick where you put the fishing line down there, or anything along those lines. Maybe apply some heat to the other side with a heat gun gently so you don't damage your windscreen to soften up the double-sided tape, and then maybe try and use some fishing line to get this taken off. But this is what it looks like, and this is what you're dealing with. So this will not come off now, usually without breaking them. So just be very careful. At least now you know where the fasteners are and how this whole thing works. Hopefully I'll never have to take it off again. Now if you've got any questions about anything you saw in today's video, leave your question down below and I'll try and answer it to the best of my ability. In the meantime, if you enjoyed today's video, found it interesting or useful, please give me a big thumbs up. There it is. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button, not the GT clock, for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching and bye for now.